guys, it's Ro here from CurlShoppe, a brand dedicated to bringing you curly hair products. So today I'll be sharing with you my curly hair sleep routine, which is super duper easy and you don't need a lot of things. The reason why protecting your curls while you sleep is important is just because, one, it helps avoid breakage, damage, and frizz, and basically just helps preserve your curls longer so you don't have to feel like you need to like wash and reset your curls every day or every other day. Personally, I can last about 3 days. Natasha can last about a week, and these little tips and tricks really help preserve our curls over the time so our curls last longer. So the first thing and the easiest thing you can get is a silk or satin pillowcase. So this is mine. Obviously you can get different colors or different sizes depending on what suits your bed and your pillows. I got white just because it matches my sheet and my overall room. But using one of these will save your life and is honestly the easiest thing you can do. Basically why this is so great versus a regular cotton pillowcase, I don't know why I can't talk today, it's just because the fabric itself is a lot smoother and softer on your curls and your skin. Little trick. But basically the fabric itself doesn't pull and tear away at your hair. If you think of like a cotton or a linen, for example, the fabric itself is a lot rougher, and over time the little strands of fabric get caught on your strands of hair. So this, because it is so smooth, it avoids that, and your hair doesn't actually get caught on the strands because it just feels so soft and just glides over it. So pillowcase, number one, easiest, so easy and very important. So the second thing you're going to want is a scrunchie. So this is mine. It is very old, so excuse its appearance if you can tell. It's also very stretched out. But why you're going to want one of these is just because a regular hair elastic will leave an indentation in your hair when you wake up. Versus this, it's a lot softer on your curls, so it'll help avoid that. You can also get a silk or satin one of these as well. Mine is velvet, which technically it's not that great for your hair, but we're just going to ignore that for now. But one of these is perfect for when you need to pineapple your hair on the top of your head. And this is what I use to do that. The last thing you're gonna want is a silk or satin scarf. I'm not sure if you're sensing a trend of silk and satin, but like, it's key, very key. But this is mine here. It's also super duper old, but anyone will do. Again, as long as the fabric feels smooth, it'll just help avoid breakage on your curls. But I will show you what I do with this and this to sleep at night. So obviously the first thing you're going to do is take out any clips or pins or stuff. I have bobby pins in my hair, so I'm going to take those out. Yeah, this is pretty much what my hair looks like now. I don't know if you can tell, I feel like it's kind of obvious, but I cut my hair. It is super duper short than what it used to be. I essentially kind of just wanted a fresh start. My hair was pretty sad from the blondes and then the red and then the red again, so I just needed a little break. I'm missing the length, but my curls are so healthy that I just can't really complain. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but they pop in now. They really pop in. My curls were starting to turn into like a gentle wave, which was like, no. But once your hair is all ready to go, you're gonna want to take your scrunchie and basically pineapple it, which just means you're pulling it into a loose ponytail on the very top of your head, like so. And the reason why they call this a pineapple is because your head literally looks like a pineapple. And I'm wearing yellow, so cute. I didn't even plan that, but yeah, your head looks like a pineapple. To be honest, when my hair was longer, I used to just do this and use my silk pillowcase and call it a night. But now that my hair is so short, pieces at the back often fall out. And because I am I move a lot when I sleep, this will flatten out like almost immediately, which is where the scarf comes in play. So once you got your hair in a pineapple, you're gonna wanna grab your scarf and grab two opposite corners like so and put it together so you have a triangle now. Like, can you see it? It is a triangle. Once it's in a triangle, you want to take the long side of the scarf and you just want to put it at the base of the very back of your head. So keep that spot. Alright, so once you're there, you can either tie this in the front if your scarf is not too long. Mine's really long, so what I do is actually I just twist it in the front like so, and then tie it in the back like this. All right, so you're gonna be left with something like this, which is honestly pretty decent. If your curls are short like mine, you can actually kind of stay like this and you'll be fine. You don't even really need to use the silk pillowcase because your curls are relatively protected. If your curls are longer, or for example, you don't have a scrunchie, because you can also do this without the scrunchie and your curls will just be like this. What you can do is take the piece in the back, like so, and tuck in your hair so it is nice and safe. So I'm just looking at my camera because I can't really see. And then literally just take this and tuck it into the front. Like that. Ah, trying to escape. No, not today. Oh, there. Is that a curl? How? How? There. And yeah, this is pretty much how I would go to bed. I personally keep it below my ears because, like I said, I move around when I sleep, and this kind of acts like a little anchor. If you don't like that, you can obviously do that, but if I personally do this, my scarf will just like fall right off. So I have to sleep with it like this. And that is pretty much it. Nice and simple. So honestly, with a combo of this, the scrunchie and the pillowcase, you mix and match, whatever works for you, your curls will be good the next day. And that is honestly it. Nice and simple, like I promised. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye.